Hello, my name is Anju Kukreja. I have completed my graduation from Mumbai University with overall CGPA of 9.12. Along with my degree, I have completed investment banking and hedge fund operation from Magic Institute of Excellence. Recently, I got placed in Innocap HedgeMark as a risk analyst through Magic Institute of Excellence. I joined MIE family in July 2022 in hopes to gain a practical knowledge and to find a career direction. So now I'm thinking it was the best decision of my life, as the faculty was very amazing. They will teach you the basic and the most complicated financial assets in a very simplest way. As finance is a dynamic career, to uplift in the industry you need to be updated with the current market scenarios. To improve this, they have conducted a special guest lectures from the industry's expert. I still remember the first lecture of Prathamesh sir regarding the how to create a powerful LinkedIn profile and how to make an valuable connections on LinkedIn. So it was very amazing. Even they help you to find out your strengths and weaknesses within you and how to improve it. So it was very amazing. To make an industry ready, they have conducted the general aptitude test, financial aptitude test, as well as mock interviews. Even the course was online. They have created the environment of classrooms. It was very fruitful to learn and grow in MIE. So I want to thank everybody. Everybody starts from Prathamesh sir, Jyoti ma'am, Piyush sir, as well as Isha ma'am. I want to special thanks to Vishal sir to help me and believing me and motivating me throughout the course. So thank you so much for that.